you guys! Today we're doing the blindfolded makeup challenge. You're looking for a
I'm
foundation.
gonna start with foundation.
Oh my god.
I don't know if I'm gonna put it here.
Oh, yep. You're not gonna use a brush, no?
No. It will look a lot more natural if I use it with my hand. It feels kind of messy, but
Oh no.
I don't really think
Not
that
messy at
that's
all.
the truth. I think it's very even and natural looking. Just gonna some in your forehead.
Oh.
Because you always need in your forehead. I think I'm gonna take a little bit more.
I know that
Because
the light is very bright, but this is what Jessica's done right now.
it's beautiful.
It's very beautiful.
Feels like I'm not taking anything at all. Okay.
Oh, yeah, you got it. Oh my god.
Where did you know? Wait. Oops, I mean. Oh. Close your mouth.
Sorry. Oh my god. I'm gonna have a foundation line here. Myself.
Nope.
Oh, okay.
Nope, it's not.
Oh!
You don't want a foundation line because that's just not classy at all.
Oh my.
Where have I not? So you just get it all over the face because else it's not gonna look very good. Feels kind of good. Need a brush.
Dude, you're doing great.
There's a brush.
Okay, move your brush.
Very.
Oh my god.
There it is. So.
Not okay.
Is it now? No.
Okay, let me just inform you that there's a little lid on the powder.
Oh, no, it isn't.
Oh, okay. Because
No. Oh.
now the lid is off. I'm gonna be quiet now.
Yeah, I looked. Yeah. Perfect.
Oh my god.
So this is not gonna make it that big difference, I mean, but yeah, you just don't want your foundation to disappear.
Yeah.
You have to stick on there.
That's my eye. That's my
No,
eye.
no,
Yes,
it's
that's my eye.
No powder line either.
No powder line. Gorgeous.
So I think I'm gonna go for a kind of more colorful look. Just colors, and I think I'm gonna try to fill in her brows as well.
Jessica.
I think I'm gonna go for the eyes, and I'm gonna paint you a very nice smoky eye. So here we just
maybe the other way, you know.
You're not supposed to help me.
I'm sorry.
And and that was a little bit of Swedish.
Yes, a little bit of Swedish.
See?
Yes.
Close your eyes.
I'm close my eyes.
So I think I'm gonna go for a kind of dark in the outer corner and light in the inner corner. Oh yes. Close?
You maybe need some more.
Close? Okay.
Maybe some more.
Sorry if I'm ruining your makeup.
Oh no, that's cool.
Good?
Yeah.
Yes. So just all over the lid.
My lid, yeah.
To make a good base color. We all need a base color.
we all need a base color. That's the
Other
word
eye,
of the day.
other eye.
That's my
Close. Right. Like that. Then I'm gonna go for a slightly darker color. No? Yes. For
Darker
the
color. Yes.
corner here. There you go. Perfect. Oh, this is weird. Other eye, other eye. Cool.
Everybody needs a bit
that good?
color. Yeah, I think that's
Like
good.
this. More.
More is more in this case.
More is less.
More is less.
Less is more.
Oh my god.
Mm.
Oh. Oh, that's in my eye. That's in my eye. I'm sorry.
Close!
I'm sorry. Oh my god.
This is going to look so pretty on you. You always look good with color.
Just so you know, when you put
She
on.
likes colors, actually.
I like colors. Yes, that's right.
So I think you don't usually wear colors, but I think it's gonna look just great on you. No, I was gonna fill in the brow.
With eyeshadow.
You don't have any.
Yeah.
Tova usually doesn't fill in her brows.
Because I have bangs, so it covers right up here.
Yeah, so I think I'm just gonna use eyeshadow.
Eyeshadows.
No.
I'm not.
So I'm gonna take this. So yeah, and then just the eyebrow and there. There is the eyebrow. No, look at me. I am the boss. I'm sorry, that was weird.
Yes, you are the boss in this case. I don't.
Nope. Eyebrow. There. So I want you to look kind of subtle, but still you want to define your eyebrows.
Oh, that sounds professional.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
This is magnific. So I'm gonna go over to this to give you a little bit of cheek color.
No, cheek color.
Trick, use
Lipstick.
for cheek.
Yes.
Don't want to do it too much though.
No.
Cheek.
Oh my.
Since this is a kind of dark color, you don't want too much. But you want it to really show up. You want to look like a clown. Personally, I'm kind of scared of clowns. But
I look like an Indian warrior.
and we're just gonna blend that in on the apples of our cheeks and up.
Oh my god.
I should contour your face as well.
Oh, that's.
Yes.
That sounds good.
Then it's a plan.
then that's our game plan.
So I think I'm gonna use a little bit of a bigger. Oh, I lay it down. Bigger. No. Yes. Are you laughing at
No,
me?
I'm not laughing at you. I'm scared.
You're not scared.
Oh.
I'm gonna contour this pretty little. Just start there. Just to give it a little bit of
Shimmer.
no,
And
shape.
Shape.
Shape for your face. A more Barbie looking
Oh.
shape.
Oh my god.
Oh,
the wind
windy.
is going crazy outside.
You're not supposed to talk. Nothing can talk.
Oh, that's good.
Pretty.
Now we're looking like Snooki.
So now we're gonna take our lip color. Oh, I know it's this. It's pretty little.
Yeah, that's. Oh,
Is that
no,
the camera?
Yes, it is.
Yes. Lips.
Am I gonna open it?
No.
Really?
Close. I'm sorry if you like this lipstick, because it's probably gonna be.
That's fine.
We want a dark lip color because it's a lot more vintage. And I said I was gonna go for a more
But you changed your mind.
colorful, but this is kind of natural. A lip gloss on top of her pretty little. Where's your face?
In my face.
Where? Oh, there it is. Close!
More is more.
Less is more. More is less. More! Oh no, I'm sorry. There, you go.
I'm thinking you maybe go for Snooki
Nope.
direction. No?
Nope. Colorful. So, I'm... Oh, there it is. I'm just gonna do
There
the
it is.
other eye as well.
You're doing a very great brush job. Yes.
Oh, thank you. I'm ruining this. Oh.
Yes.
Yes.
Contour my face
Nope.
with dark colors.
Contouring you not.
More. You're the boss.
I'm sorry. I'm taking on eyes if you want to. Like that.
Oh, I'm a
Professional makeup artist.
Yes, you are. Oh my gosh, my nose looks so funny in the camera.
Then I'm gonna take a mascara. Okay, so I want you to close your eyes because you don't. I don't want to poke at your eye.
Oh no, not me neither.
There. It feels like I'm touching the lashes actually.
Okay.
Yeah. No. Yeah, I need a little bit more.
Oh, you actually got it. That looks good.
Look at me.
I'm looking at you.
Oh.
You got
Sorry. Oh. I'm enjoying this.
I'm enjoying this too. I think you are enjoying it. Oh, that's my hair.
I think my work here is done, and I think she looks like a princess.
I think I look like a princess. Okay, well let's
Yeah,
see. Are you ready to see your masterpiece?
What are you?
Are you ready?
Oh.
Look at you, I look beautiful. I look like a princess. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I think Jessica enjoyed this. Jessica enjoyed this much more than I did, and we will see you guys next time. Bye. You shut up.